Do you want to know the secret to owning an 8-figure business without a fortune to start with? What if I told you that some of the most successful businesses in the world began with little to no upfront capital? By the end of this video, you will learn the strategies that can transform a small idea into a powerhouse business. No massive budget required. And I will reveal the one mindset shift that separates those who dream from those who succeed. You do not want to miss this. Hi, I am Steven. Over the last decade, I have worked in investment banking and Fortune 500 companies as a finance executive. I have studied, analyzed, and built businesses from the ground up. What I am about to share with you is not just theory, it is rooted in real-world experience. And today, I am pulling back the curtain to show you how you can own an 8-figure business, even if you feel like you are starting from scratch. We are often conditioned to believe that success requires a big bank account, but that is a lie. Let's face it, we are sold the image of luxury, the yachts, the private jets, and the million-dollar offices. But here's the truth most people will not tell you. Many of these entrepreneurs started with next to nothing. It is not about how much money you have. It is about how resourceful you are with what you do have. Take technology, for example. The internet is the greatest equalizer in history. You do not need a physical storefront, an army of employees, or even a massive marketing budget. With platforms like Shopify, Canva, and ChatGPT, you can launch, automate, and scale a business at a fraction of the cost it used to take. Think about it. 10 years ago, reaching a global audience was a pipe dream for most small businesses. Today, it is just a click away. And here is the game changer: creativity. Some of the most disruptive businesses did not invent something new. They found a better way to solve an old problem. Look at Sarah Blakely. With just $5,000, she launched Spanx and turned it into a billion-dollar empire. She did not have investors or fancy connections. She had an idea, a solution to a common problem, and the determination to see it through. But let's take a step back. How do you start when it feels like you do not even have enough to cover the basics? Here is a tip you will not hear often. Start small but think big. Begin by solving one high-value problem for a small audience. Do it well, and word of mouth will amplify your impact. Test your ideas with a minimum viable product before you invest heavily. The goal is progress, not perfection. Still with me? Good, because here is where it gets exciting. Did you know there is a way to eliminate up to 90% of your startup costs? Yes, you heard that right. By leveraging partnerships and bartering services, you can exchange value without needing to spend a dime. Imagine trading your skills for someone else's expertise. The possibilities are endless. But let's not just talk about strategies, let's make it real. Remember Jeff Bezos starting Amazon in his garage with borrowed desks, or Airbnb's founders renting out air mattresses to make rent? These are not just stories. They are proof that with grit, creativity, and a relentless focus on solving problems, you can achieve extraordinary things. Now, let's talk about you. What is stopping you from starting today? Fear of failure? Lack of resources? Let me tell you something. Those are excuses, not roadblocks. If you are willing to step out of your comfort zone and get creative, you can build something incredible. The tools are out there, the opportunities are endless, and the only thing standing in your way is your willingness to try. But before you go, here is one final thought. There is a little-known business model that has been quietly creating millionaires around the world, and it requires almost zero upfront capital. I am sharing it in my next video, so make sure to stick around for that. Trust me, it will change the way you think about business forever. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Have you ever started a business with minimal resources? What worked for you? Share your insights. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video. It might just be the spark you need for your next big idea. See you there.